One of the most important challenges in industrial production is raw materials. To solve this challenge, the owners of these industries make a lot of efforts to collect a large amount of them for their production, and subsequently, it creates many restrictions and problems. One of these industries is cellulose paper production. As you know, we need raw materials such as wood and water to produce common papers. The excessive use of these raw materials has caused serious damage to forests and water resources, which are very vital for the planet. On the other hand, in today's industrial world, technologies are constantly innovating and surprising the industry. Many of these technologies make impossible tasks possible and at the same time help to preserve the environment. One of them is the production of paper from stone, that is, the method in which no water is consumed, and no trees are cut to produce paper. And paper can be produced from limestone instead of trees. Don't countries need this technology and industry considering the weather conditions and lack of paper? Paper is one of the strategic industrial items in the world, which is very important in economic, social and political, and cultural. Weather conditions, water restrictions, low forest cover, and high investment have caused paper production in the world to not find favorable conditions. Alternatively, the new technology can produce a product called stone paper without the need for water and trees and with much less capital. Let to mention the features of this paper such as high-quality printability, soft texture, low price, and also waterproofness of this paper, which have made it an interesting product superior to cellulose paper. With years of experience and technical know-how, our group is able to design, manufacture, supply, install, and start up a stone paper production plant with high quality and the latest technology. Contact us to give you more information about this production machinery. And with a safe investment, in addition to creating a high profit for yourself, it will meet the market's need for paper without harming the environment. We at the DT International Group look forward to hearing from you.